Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Safia Ajmal, consultant gynecologist. Today, I will discuss the topic of static cholestasis of pregnancy. It is also known as intrahepatic cholestasis of pregnancy. In England, its incidence is 0.7% in multiple pregnancy and 1.2 to 1.5% in Asian ethnicity. This topic is too much important and came in previous talks recall station with different scenarios. And it also came as a short case. So we will discuss it according to the Green Top Guidelines, the June 2022 latest updated guidelines. Uh, and we will discuss the previous talks recall stations uh, to know how to approach the scenario in an easy way. In previous recall scenario, patient Najman, 32 years old, Gravida 3, Para 2 plus 0, all SVDs presented with complaint of yellow discoloration of skin and itching. She took multiple creams and ointments but did not relieve. Take focused history, perform relevant examination, summarize your case and present to the examiner. Now moving towards the history. First of all, you should introduce yourself to the patient, greet the patient, take introduction of the patient by asking her name, age, education, occupation, since how long they have been married for and her last menstrual period. Now moving toward the presenting complaint as yellowish discoloration of skin and itching. Ask about its duration, since how long she has been these complaints, and it's answered whether it's sudden or gradual and its severity. Ask about its site, whether it's more on palm and soles or whole of the body, and ask about its timing of the day, whether it's more on day or night time, and also ask about its association like rash, fever, jaundice, or any other complaint, and rule out differentials by asking any history of skin disease or contact with skin disease, and also ask about its color of urine and stool, any history of rash, any history of skin diseases in family or before pregnancy, and any history of brown stains on body, any food allergy. Then move towards the trimester wise history, like as ask about like she conceived spontaneously or with treatment, and whether she is a booked patient or unbooked, and also ask about its frequent antenatal visits and how pregnancy was diagnosed by urine pregnancy test, nausea, vomiting, or by ultrasound, and also ask about its dating scan, whether it was done or not, and whether it was a singleton pregnancy or twin pregnancy, and ask whether her blood pressure and blood tests were done or not, and any history of fever, flu, and rash. Also ask about its quickening in second trimester, and anomaly scan. Ask about its anomaly scan, whether it's done at 18 to 21 plus 6 weeks or not, and any gross anomaly structure has been detected or not, and ask about any history of increased blood pressure or blood sugar random, any history of itching or rash, and also ask about history of obstetric cholestasis in previous pregnancy. After that, you should ask about its post-ops history, like parity, and its mode of delivery, and any complications like antepartum, intrapartum, and postpartum complications. And also ask about its past medical and surgical history, and ask any comorbidities and any drug allergy, antibiotic reactions, opioid use, and food allergy. After that, you should ask any investigation and treatment taken up till now. So, this is all about its history, and now we will discuss the examination and investigations and management in the next video. Thank you.